Why do you think they call it playing the guitar, not working the guitar? Kindergarten, everybody's finger painting, everybody's creative, everybody's playing, and a lot of creativity is wrapped up in the idea of playing. Hello, my fellow guitarists. If this sort of thing is up your alley, please subscribe. Let's explore together. There's a big difference between practicing and playing. Practicing implies you're out of the moment. You're out of the real world. Playing means you're enjoying the moment. You know, that old cliche about why do you think they call it playing an instrument? When you play guitar, when you play your guitar solo, if it's all rote, if it's all memorized, it's just plain boring. It doesn't sound like play if there's no unpredictability. It's much better to break out of guitar scale prison and to rely on your wits, so to speak.
Good improvisation has its own symmetry, its own balance, its own sense of tension and resolution.
If you want to shred, that's probably another whole different story, but I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about really being expressive, emotional in your playing, and connecting with people. And the best way to do that is to not overthink it. So many guitar players, they overthink things, or they rely on patterns that they've been practicing for hours on end. I know I've done that. When I was in Berklee College of Music, I would turn on a small portable TV, turn the sound off, and just practice. And what was I practicing with the sound off for hours on end? Scales, patterns, robotic things. So it's no wonder when you come time to improvise that you're going to spew out all those robotic things, all those patterns. That's not the way to go. It doesn't sound like play if there's no unpredictability. Best way to improvise is to continue to put yourself into situations where you have to rely on your wits, you have to think on your toes. It's not playing if it's all rehearsed. It's not playing if you know the outcome before you even get started. Even though I've been to Berklee College of Music, composition major, even though I've been to New England Conservatory, music ed, and ethnomusicology, aka world music, I believe a non-technical approach is the way to go if you want to reclaim the creativity that we were all born with. Let the music speak for itself. Don't force your patterns onto it. Don't force your scale prison motif on it. Respond honestly to the moment. When it comes to improvisation, memory is less important than thinking in the moment, responding to the moment, transcending the desire to play it safe. Boring is playing it safe. Boring is repeated patterns. Interesting, exciting, expressive is going where you're not sure what's around the corner. You're not sure how the musical idea resolves. The tension and the resolution is key to making it exciting and expressive.